Hello everyone, Bentley K here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are just going to do a get ready with me because I really don't have any new gadgets or anything, but I am going to Ulta later today to see what I can find. So we're going to do a get ready with me though. We'll just chat. Although you know I'm not very good at chatting. I just put on my makeup and then I forget to talk. Anyways, I'll tell you what I'm using as I go. I'm going to use my gripping primer, and I haven't used this foundation that I'm going to use in a while because I'm only going to Ulta and Walmart, so I don't really need, you know, super glam. Anyways, I'm going to let this get sticky real quick, and then we're going to use the Almay because I remember that we really liked this one. And I haven't used it basically since the test because I've had so many new ones to try that then I just kind of forget about them. I think that's good enough. So, and I think oh, this is the one that changes colors. That's right, I forgot. So I'm just going to dab it on. I don't remember how much I was supposed to use. That doesn't seem like enough. Were you supposed to use your fingers? We'll try. I don't remember. Looks like it's giving it a gray hue. Maybe that's just because well, no, I don't self-tan my face, so that wouldn't be because of my self-tanner, right? I thought this was one of the ones I liked. Now I'm not sure. Definitely doesn't have much coverage. Oh well. Yep. Smart Shade Skin Tone Matching Makeup. Hopefully it's going to get better. Because right now, it really doesn't have much cover to it. Coverage. Moving on, we're going to use my Brighten Up. Oh no, let's use some concealer first. We are going to use the Magic Star Concealer. And then we're just gonna spread this out. Get rid of some of this purpleness. So, you guys know I'm on this juice detox diet, or if you don't know, I'm telling you now. If you follow my blog, you know. And I'm not really liking it. Not because I can't do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing fine. I mean, of course I'm wanting to eat food, but I haven't, and I'm not going to. But I just don't feel like I'm losing, certainly not a pound a day. I don't feel like I'm losing. I felt like I lost some the first week, but now this is the third week, and I don't feel like I'm losing weight. And I do feel like I'm losing muscle because there's just not enough protein in it. I mean, I know that some vegetables have protein, but not that much, and not as much as I think I need. But I'm going to finish the 28 days and then see. Maybe I'm just crazy and maybe I am losing a pound a day. That would be awesome. I would be good with that. But I don't think so. And it's too hard. You know, it's like I'm hungry. I want food. I mean, not so bad that I can't not do it. But if it ain't working, all right, now we're going to go in with my Brighten Up by Essence under my eyes and pretty much everywhere. I just used concealer. And then I'm going to put it up here where I don't put concealer because the concealer tends to break up right there if I put it there. So I just use powder. And now I'm going to go in with my Magic Star translucent powder. This smells so good. And just put a little bit on the rest of my face. This totally smells like cotton candy. And cotton candy smells wonderful. I don't really like to eat it. I never have really liked it. It's just too sweet. Even as a kid. Didn't really like the cotton candy. Of course, there was plenty of other sweets that I did like. But it smells good. Look at that. That was from last night's attack. She snuck up on me, and before I could tell her, no, I'm not playing like that, she had already done that. And I was just about done healing up from all the other ones. See, that one was the worst one, and it was almost gone. Oh well. Okay, now let's go in with some bronzer, contour, all kinds of good things. I am using my Pro Glow palette and I'm using this color right here. Okay, I'm going to take a little of this. Just around my lips. Just to give them that little bit bigger effect. Didn't do this. Now I'm going to go in with my Dallas blush and give us a little bit of glowy, dusty, rosy cheeks. Now I'm going into my Pro Glow palette into this one called Strobe. and giving us the rest of our glow. And then I'm just going to blend all this together. And now for the eyes. We are going to go in with our Essence Eye Base. I really need to throw this one away. But I still got some out of it, so it must be good still. This is what the makeup I would put on like for everyday makeup. When I'm not trying out any new products. This is what I do. I'm going to use my Sigma palette again. I really like this palette. And I'm going to go into this Humble, the first one, to just set that I just put on. And then we're going to go into Toasty right there for our transition color. And now we're going to go into, let's see, I think I'm going to take this kind of pinky color right here. It's called Passion Fruit right there. And put that in the crease. And then I'm also going to put it on this outer portion of the lid. And then I'm going to go into, on the lid with, I think this Charter. Wait a minute. No, it's too light. Maybe Beaming. Nope, that's too dark. We're going to go in with Charmer, this one right here. And I'm just going to put it right in the center. Just like that. Then I'm just going to take this and kind of blend all that together. And I got it on my lash. Much better. Okay, now I am going to clean up these edges. By using my Cake Bake brush and my Essence Brighten Up powder that I used under my eyes. because I just didn't really want color underneath. So, that took care of that. Now I'm going to go in with some liner, and I think I'm going to use brown today. That's black. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Gel Liner, and I'm going to push line with this. And this is the brown one. And I like to go ahead and smudge it one eye at a time so that it doesn't set before I get it done. And I just take a flat brush and smudge it back and forth between the lashes to get it smeared around so there's no skin showing. And then I kind of pull it up a little bit, and then I can either wear this as my liner alone, or I can go back in with a liquid liner and add a wing, which is what I plan to do. But some days I'm in more of a hurry than I am today, and I will just stop here, well, with both eyes done. Now, to do my liquid liner, I have to keep my chin down, and then I go from my last lashes and I stamp a line, just like that. Then I pull it out and connect the dots. So if you're opposed to pulling on your eye, don't do this. Because with my eyes, you gotta. Otherwise, it's just too many wrinkles. It's gonna stay all spotted. You always want to make sure you get them connected to the lash line. Actually, I'm going to go off camera and do my brows and lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my eyebrows and my eyelashes. All I did was add some mascara. I used my Laura Geller Lash Boss. For my brows, I used my Ka-Brow and then my Gimme Brow on top of it. This is number 2 and this is number 3. And then for my lips, I used the NYX Lingerie in Exotic. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!